Good afternoon, my beautiful people. We have to be willing to rise and change our vantage point. Sometimes your point of view is skewed and you can't see the final picture from where you're standing. Change your perspective. Change the way you look at things. Change the way you look at yourself. You are more than capable. You are one of God's children, a beautiful entity. Everything about your aura is radiant, but you got to be ready to activate it. And there's too many dim lights out here, so you make sure you shine bright, even in the darkest spaces. Fly with me, baby.